Hi, this is Stephanie Vigias, and I'll be reporting about the determination of gender, genes versus hormones. This starts with gonadal differentiation. Typically starts at 6 to 8 weeks of gestation. This is when the differentiation of female and male genitalia begins. A female is determined by 2 X chromosomes, and a male is determined by an X and a Y chromosome. You typically cannot distinguish between male and female until about week 10. An oocyte, which is this structure right here, will always contain an X chromosome, and a sperm, which is this structure right here, will either contain an X or a Y chromosome, which determines the sex of the fetus. Sex differentiation. The fetus begins with a Wolffian duct and a Mullerian duct and a bipotential gonad. The Wolffian duct is towards male and the Mullerian duct is a female. The fetus will go either 2 ways, feminization or masculinization. Masculinization is determined by the X and Y chromosome. The Y chromosome contains an SRY gene, which produces an SRY protein, which allows development of the testes. Masculinization causes the bipotential gonads to develop into testes. The testes begin producing testosterone, which stimulates the Wolffian duct to become male structures, and also produces anti-Mullerian hormone, which degenerates Mullerian ducts. Feminization is when 2 X chromosomes are present. There is no SRY gene, which allows the bipotential gonads to develop into ovaries. In this case, there's no testes, which produce no testosterone, and that causes the Wolffian duct to degenerate. There's also no anti-Mullerian hormone, which allows the Mullerian duct to be developed. After week 10, the testes ascend, and the cloaca forms the urethra and the penis. The Mullerian tubes become fallopian tubules and the uterus, and the external structures of male and female are formed. The clitoris of the female is large initially, but with the absence of androgens, it reduces the clitoris size, and the glans penis, which is equivalent to the clitoris, will grow with the presence of androgens. DHT is also produced, which allows development of external genitalia.